Wayne from Scandy White Boats. Been a member of Calhoun Liberty Credit Union for over 30 years now. Been building boats since 1983. We build aluminum fishing boats, river boats, work boats, pretty much anything the customer would like, whether it's 12 foot to 25 and anything in between. People seem to be more wanting something special to fit their unique needs. Everybody wants something different. A boat that I like may be a boat that you don't like. So we try to make the customer's dream come true and give them exactly what they want. Thank you, Calhoun Liberty Credit Union, for always helping us with all our loan needs, big and small.